All right, we are continuing on with our measurements of data to find out data or find out information using information that we have. So this is lesson 15. We're about done with this module with lesson 16. Woohoo! We made it to module 6, the last module of the school year after 16. But anyway, it says right here, Mr. Webb's class measures the length of some shells. Use the table to make a line plot. Line plot. Now I'll explain to you that in just a second. Let me get my writing tool ready. Okay, so right here we have our identifier shell length, which is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, and a number of shells. 2, 4, 5. They switched it up. 3 and 1. And then we're going to answer the questions right here from 2 through 5 right here. So, number 1 right here, we have right here, 1 right here. So, you're going to have to first put the numbers at the bottom. 0, 1, 2, and we're going to go all the way up to 10. Ooh, computer's running better now. Woohoo! Just needed a little break, I guess. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So now, after you plot it, put the number right there, we have to use a line plot. And what that means is, so like you have 1 right here, and it has 2 number of shells. How many shells does it have? It has 2. So look, right here. We're not going to put them inside the boxes because it will look weird. You got to put it on the line. So look, every line that goes left to right or row um, or horizontal, just put it right there. Just put an X. We need 2 X's right here. Oh my God, there goes the computer again. And then for 2, we need 1, and we need 4 shells. You see how I'm doing that? How I get these numbers to look right here. 2, the length. These are at the bottom. It's the length, and then the number of shells right here. And then we go to number 3. 3 inches, and then we need 5 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then for 4, we just need 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then for 5 shell length inches, for 5, we just need one shell. Okay, so again, number 0, 1 through 10, and then just plot the numbers on the number line, just like so. So now we're ready to answer the questions. All right, so number 2, how many shells are shorter than 3 inches? So they're asking for the total. So how many shells are shorter than 3 inches? So we have 1, 2, 3. Ooh, nope, that won't work because I counted 4. So we have 1 and 2. So we have 1 and 5, and that's simple. 6 shells. We have 6 shells that are less than 3 inches. And then what shell length is least common? The one you see the least, and again, that is 5 inches because we see 2 right here. I guess you could make an argument for, well, this actually saying for the less. So I'm like, I was looking at the rate, and so, yeah, I guess it will be the 5 inches that is the least or has the less out of all the shell lengths, which is 5 inches. Okay. And then for number 4, what shell length is most common? Obviously, that's 3 inches. And then for the last one, I'm going to let you all figure that out. And please post in the comment section of this video when you see it. It says, how many shells did the class measure? How would you figure that out? How would you figure out how much did the shells, or how many shells did the whole class measure? How many did they total measure? So I'm gonna let you figure it out. please post your comments on the video comment section on Class Dojo. And if you have any questions, please let me know through Class Dojo, where I'll be able to help you out. Other than that, continue to have a good one. Thank you. Have a good day.